guys, it's National Mary here, and today I'm here to do a wig video for you guys. You all know I love wigs. That's my favorite protective style. And today's company is going to be Sunwell 100% virgin hair wigs. So this is a new company that I have not tried before, but I do have a 360 wig. I have not done much with 360 wigs. I think I've only tried one prior to this one, so it should be rather interesting to see what this one has to offer. So I'm gonna open the box, and I like to do unboxing with you guys so you can see how the unit comes right out of the packaging. The only thing that's in here is the hair. This unit is in length 18, and it is Yaky straight hair. Yeah, I like this hair already. So this is what the hair looks like coming right out of the package. I love how full it looks. The Yaky texture really creates a more full look, and it actually looks like length 20 rather than 18. So keep that in mind. This hair looks longer than the length you might select. It also has baby hairs. The baby hairs are pretty long, but there are baby hairs. Knots have also been bleached. Wow, so I don't have to do much work. Y'all know I'm all about easy. So yeah, these are the baby hairs, but they're long. Let me put it on my mannequin head so you guys can get a better look. It has a pre-plucked hairline, which is really awesome. It's great, and look at the parting space. It looks really natural. Aren't any baby hairs in the back. Oh yes, there is. So there's also baby hair provided in the back. There it is. Okay guys, so far I am really feeling this wig. It is so easy to install. The texture looks really natural, especially for someone who is a natural like myself. This Yaky texture is wonderful. I had no idea that it was going to be this full and voluminous, or that it would be more so of a texture that resembled my own when straightened. Not necessarily blown out, but when straightened, my hair would most likely look like this after maybe some humidity had gotten to it a little bit. So I'm very fond of that. And I'm really not trying to straighten the hair, but rather get these little crinks out that were in it just from being in the packaging. And if you hear the vibration going on, that's from this flat iron. Once again, this is Yaky texture. The length is 18. This is pre-plucked. It has a pre-plucked hairline. Now, if you wanted something a little more intense, you would need to pluck it yourself. But I feel that the way that it came is perfectly fine. The parting space is really good. If you wanted to pluck the part, you could, but as you notice, guys, I did not bleach the knots or anything, and it still looks natural. I just applied foundation on the opposite side of the unit, and then just sprayed on some freeze spray, some Got2b Glue freeze spray, and I am loving the results. So this is one style. I'm actually loving this one. I really like the way this looks. It is in color 1B. You all know how I feel about 1B. I feel like that's the most natural color for me because of my natural hair color. This is also in density 130, which makes for a really full look, especially with the Yaky texture. Typically I go for 150, but 130 is perfectly fine for this particular unit. The cap size is medium, and the inches are 22 by 22.5 inches. I know I've gotten questions in the past about that. The knots do come bleached, but it's more so a transparent looking lace color. It's not bleached and you have a color that happens with this particular cap. For someone who has fair skin, it would work fine. You wouldn't have to add any color, but because I'm darker skinned, I did have to put some foundation on the lace just to create a more natural look for my skin color. Oh, and this is Brazilian virgin hair. So this is 100% human hair, and it's Brazilian. It's Yaky straight Brazilian. So if you're wondering about the origin. guys, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me do styles with my 360 unit. This is the first time that I've actually attempted to put my hair up with the 360. I hope that my tips were helpful. I showed you guys how to install as well as to style. It was really simple and easy. The Got2b glue will be your best friend. And don't worry if you spray aloe vera juice along your hairline, well, because I put it in the back, around the parameter of your hair, as well as water or either or. I usually like to use both. So you can just spray aloe vera alone or water alone or combine the two. It's just really up to you and it'll come right out. It will not damage your edges, so don't worry about that. When having a 360, if you want to put it up, it's best to use Got2b glue or some form of adhesive. I don't necessarily go for glue, but this hardcore gel does the trick. So I'm gonna have all the links and details in the description box along with a discount code for you guys. So check the description box for that. My lip color, the top details, and everything will be in the description box. I look forward to hearing your comments and feedback. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.